We are from Oklahoma and it gets windy. When they say where the wind comes sweeping down the plain, they mean it. The wind never stops blowing in Oklahoma. We had a trampoline in Oklahoma that we had like a mini tornado in our backyard. We lived out in the country and that thing got flipped over. Well, the same thing happened to our backyard in Louisiana where the wind never blows. We just had a high wind one day and it got tipped over and our pole got damaged. My two youngest boys jump on that thing constantly with their friends. With the pole damaged and the net kind of askew, it's not quite as safe. Somebody is going to get an arm broken on that thing. I didn't know you could repair just the little poles. So this company was so kind as to send me the pole so we could repair it. I sent my son out there to set the poles up. Now is a little safer, but we also had to replace the net. It didn't take him very long to put the poles up. He had a look at them, decided they're not a perfect fit for our trampoline. So do make sure that you check the make and model and size and everything. Do your due diligence. I don't know enough about it. All I know is that my son went out there and set it up and he said it wasn't a perfect fit, but it is good enough and it will keep somebody from falling off that thing. He was able to get this set up very quickly. He wasn't out there more than 15 minutes setting it up. He didn't put up all new poles. He just put up the necessary poles. So we still have a bunch of poles left that we can save for another time. And then once we get a new net, this will be back to being super safe. Don't feel bad if your trampoline has damaged poles and feel like you have to scrap it and buy a new one, because these poles are the better option than buying a brand new one. Trampolines are so expensive and not easy to replace, but being able to just to replace the poles or the net is the best option, and one I'm glad I found out about. I didn't even know that was a thing. I thought we were just gonna have to get rid of that thing very soon, in fact, before somebody got hurt. Let me know in the comments if your trampoline has been damaged and what caused the damage, and let me know if you or your family have ever been injured on a trampoline. I want to hear all about it. If you're not subscribed to my channel, now is the time in the video where I say to you, please subscribe. I bring you really informative and helpful things like trampoline poles that you maybe didn't know about. You didn't know about a trampoline pole being able to be replaced, did you? I didn't know about it. Surely you didn't either. You can find the link for this product below in the description. And as always, if you just click it, it'll open right up into the shop where I bought it from, or in this case was gifted, and that's Amazon. I earn a few cents when you do that, and it helps me out a little bit. And in return, I do my best to scour the internet for the best deals for you. See you real soon.